see me on a hustle.
Where you at?
I ain't shit. I was on my third dance.
Right now,
nigga, what
man.
you think I can just run up in here, snap my fingers, and make these motherfuckers throw their money at me?
Hey, bitch, watch your mouth.
Nigga, I ain't even made payout yet.
Walk that trick, 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 walk that trick. I'ma make these suckers recognize I ain't playing, ho. If you violate off the top trick, you gotta go. I done held in a lot of shit, and I'm about to flip. Now I think it's time to show you bitches who you fucking with. DJ, that's the name, and I came to bring the pain. Anna on my chest, got me busting at you lemon lanes. Yeah, ain't know, you fucking with a street nigga. From the gutter pimp type / drug dealer. Born and raised in that Memphis, Tennessee. Before it's said and done, you bitches gon' remember me. This only the beginning, I got a lot to say. It's been a long time, and you got hell to pay. Ain't no love, ho, just bring it to the door. I bar none, let my nuts hang to the floor. So if you want some, this is your death wish. Better come correct, because I came to break you off trick. Walk that trick, 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 walk that trick. You think I won't beat that trick, whoop that trick? Got me acting buck and shit. Hoes telling me to calm down, but I'm like, fuck that shit. I'm already on that hypnotic and that Grey Goose. A couple of shots of here that just gave me another boost. I'm feeling electrified, you can see it in my eyes. Shirt soaking wet, looking like I just got baptized. Sloppy drunk like a wino at a liquor store. A crunk like some sanctified folks catching the Holy Ghost. I don't think you understand, this one right here might get banned. Setting off a riot like we living in Afghanistan. But this the dirty, and that's the way it go. Security be the main ones acting like some hoes, but you the fucked up, you better call the law. I'ma break this Moet bottle across your fucking jaw. And that's for anyone that ever disrespected me. Watch your back, boy, cause you bout to get your ass beat. Walk that trick, 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 walk that trick. I came to bust a nigga head, leave him bloody red, fighting for his life as they rush him to the man. This what happens when you get caught up in the mix. All that jaw jacking got your ass in a bunch of shit. This that Memphis drama, boy, you know we came to get bucked. I thought you came deep, nigga, where your back up. Your clique, they some cowards, they scattered out like roaches. That bottle across your head got you leaking, losing focus. See, this is what we mean when we shut down the club. Niggas started gangsta walking, then we tear the bitch up. We some straight hood niggas from the ghetto and the project.